What is Azure Databricks? Azure Databricks is a cloud-based big data processing and analytics platform that combines Apache Spark with Microsoft Azure. It provides a collaborative workspace for data engineers, data scientists, and analysts to work together on large-scale data processing, machine learning, and real-time analytics tasks. Azure Databricks offers features such as scalable data processing, automated cluster management, integrated data visualization, and built-in machine learning libraries. It also offers integration with other Azure services, such as Azure Data Lake Storage, Azure Blob Storage, and Azure Synapse Analytics, to provide a comprehensive data analytics solution. What is Azure Synapse Analytics? Azure Synapse Analytics is a cloud-based analytics service provided by Microsoft that combines big data and data warehousing into a single platform. It enables businesses to ingest, prepare, manage, and serve data for immediate business intelligence and machine learning needs. It offers a unified experience for data engineering, big data, and SQL-based analytics with seamless integration with other Azure services such as Azure Data Factory, Azure Stream Analytics, and Azure Machine Learning. What is Azure Power BI? Azure Power BI is a cloud-based business analytics service provided by Microsoft that allows users to connect to multiple data sources, create interactive visualizations and reports, and share them with others. It offers advanced features such as natural language processing, AI-powered insights, and real-time analytics, making it a powerful tool for data analysis and decision-making. What is Azure Search? Azure Search is a fully managed cloud-based search service offered by Microsoft Azure that enables developers to add robust search capabilities to their applications or websites without the need to manage infrastructure or build complex search algorithms from scratch. It allows users to quickly and easily search through large amounts of structured or unstructured data using a simple API, and offers advanced features such as faceted navigation, geospatial search, autocomplete suggestions, and fuzzy matching. What is Azure Media Services? Azure Media Services is a cloud-based platform offered by Microsoft that provides end-to-end solutions for creating, managing, delivering, and monetizing video and media content at scale. What is Azure CDN? Azure CDN, Content Delivery Network, is a globally distributed network of servers that caches and delivers web content, such as images, videos, and other static files, to users from the server closest to their location. This helps to improve the performance, scalability, and availability of web applications and content, and reduce the load on the origin server. Azure CDN is a cloud-based service offered by Microsoft Azure, and it can be easily integrated with other Azure services and third-party applications. What is Azure Batch? Azure Batch is a cloud computing service provided by Microsoft Azure that allows you to run large-scale parallel and high-performance computing (HPC) workloads efficiently and easily in the cloud. It enables you to create and manage a pool of virtual machines, automatically scale the pool, and execute batch workloads across the pool with a simple API or graphical user interface. With Azure Batch, you can quickly and cost-effectively run compute-intensive applications, such as simulations, data processing, rendering, and analytics, without the need to manage the underlying infrastructure. What is Azure Service Fabric? Azure Service Fabric is a distributed systems platform that makes it easy to package, deploy, and manage scalable and reliable microservices and containers for cloud-based applications. It provides built-in support for application lifecycle management, automatic scaling, health monitoring, and failover capabilities to ensure high availability and fault tolerance for applications. What is Azure Sphere? Azure Sphere is a secure and highly secured IoT, Internet of Things, solution from Microsoft that provides an end-to-end approach to protect IoT devices from potential security threats. It includes a hardware chip, a customized operating system, and a cloud-based security service that work together to create a secure environment for IoT devices to operate. What is Azure Stack? Azure Stack is a hybrid cloud computing solution from Microsoft that allows organizations to run Azure services and applications in their own data centers. It provides a consistent platform between public and private clouds, allowing businesses to build and deploy applications across both environments. What is Azure Arc? Azure Arc is a service provided by Microsoft Azure that allows organizations to manage and govern resources across multiple environments, including on-premises, multi-cloud, and edge environments. With Azure Arc, customers can use Azure management tools to manage and secure resources, apply policies and compliance standards, and gain a unified view of their entire infrastructure regardless of where it is located. What is Azure Marketplace? Azure Marketplace is a digital marketplace provided by Microsoft Azure that allows customers to discover, try, and buy cloud-based software applications, services, and data. It offers a wide range of solutions that are pre-configured to work with Azure and provides customers with an easy way to deploy and manage them. Azure Marketplace provides a convenient and cost-effective way for customers to access and use software applications and services without the need for additional development or deployment efforts. What is Azure Advisor? Azure Advisor is a cloud-based service provided by Microsoft Azure that analyzes your usage and configurations and provides personalized recommendations to optimize your resources, improve security, and increase performance and reliability of your Azure environment. What is Azure Governance? Azure Governance refers to the set of policies, procedures, and tools that are used to manage and control resources and services within the Microsoft Azure Cloud Platform. It helps organizations ensure that their Azure environment is secure, compliant, and optimized for cost and performance. Azure Governance includes features such as access control, policy enforcement, resource tagging, auditing, and monitoring, which enable organizations to maintain control over their Azure resources and ensure that they are being used in a responsible and efficient manner. What is Azure Policy? Azure Policy is a service in Microsoft Azure that enables you to create, assign, and manage policies that enforce rules and effects over resources in your Azure environment. It helps you ensure that your resources comply with organizational standards, regulatory requirements, and security policies by allowing you to define and enforce rules for resource properties, configurations, and behaviors. Azure Policy can be used to prevent non-compliant resources from being created or to remediate non-compliant resources that already exist. What is Azure Blueprints? Azure Blueprints is a service in Microsoft Azure that enables users to define a repeatable set of Azure resources that follow Azure best practices and organization standards, such as policies, access control, and resource grouping. These pre-built templates, known as blueprints, can be shared and assigned to different groups within an organization to help ensure consistent governance and compliance across Azure resources. What is Azure Security Center? Azure Security Center is a cloud-based service provided by Microsoft Azure that helps organizations to monitor and improve the security posture of their Azure resources and workloads. It provides a centralized view of security-related information and recommendations, as well as advanced threat detection and remediation capabilities. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.